Hello everyone, this is Mooncoin YouTube channel and welcome all you to our YouTube channel. And those who are new to this channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for new updates on the crypto market, especially on the bull run. Okay, now let's get into a general update of the main cryptos, which is BTC and the ETH market. First, we'll dive into this BTC update. So you can see, you go to the time frame. Okay, let's go from the start bull run here. Okay, let's mark the basic things. And you see, we have a good resistance over, the support over here and here. Okay, just mark that out. A good support. See, the price has touched this area many times, and we have a good support over here in this zone also. Okay, you see the price. If you go to the, you can see the price has touched many times. Okay, let's make it in a green color. Okay guys, now we mark the resistance that are below, the support that are below this area, and now let's mark the other support areas. And we have a support over here also, and we have a support over here and over here, here, and that's all for the support. These are the support lines, and we have good support zone over here. You can see here, you see, good support zone. And okay, these are the basic you should be marking on the weekly chart. I will just raise this support zone that I drew here, and let's move into the daily time frame. In this we can see a good move. We go to the line chart. One tip for you guys, if you want to draw patterns or trend lines or anything, the line chart is very useful for you, and you can analyze better than analyzing the charts like this. I prefer analyzing in line chart for you guys. We have another support area, day support, and I'll mark it as the yellow line. Mm, Once again, this is the only support I'm seeing here in the daily chart. As you can see, there are no any other support areas over here. You can see here, and one support you can take is this line, this area. You can take this area. You can take this area as a support zone over here. So we'll draw the zone. We'll draw like this. It's difficult to mark a line, when we are when we are marking in the zones, it will be easy for us to find. So let's extend it. Okay, now we'll go for a pattern analyze. The same concept, just go to the line chart. You can see a pattern, that trend line is perfectly mitigating the market is perfectly mitigating this, and we'll mark that out with any green color. No, not green. You just mark it out with pink, and go deeply. Here you can see another high, low. Okay, you have a good, as you can see, the pattern is forming here, extent, and you can see here, you can see guys, the price has mitigated this resistance one, and the second time, third, and the fourth, fifth. It has consecutively 5 touches. So when we see another sixth one, we can see for a breakout. If we see for a the market tend to break this line, trend line, we can see for a good percentage. The pump would be good. Now let's go for the support area. We have one, okay, and two, three, four, and five. So both sides consist of 5 mitigations, and you can see for yourself. Now the market, we'll get into the analyze deeply, and we'll just predict where the next price movement will be in the future. Okay, these are the things that should be considered in the daily time frame. And for extra thing, we have a very good support over here, and the liquidity have been swept below this. Here you can see the liquidity was swept, Yeah, this is a rally base rally. Okay, so most of the orders will be in this. So now we don't need that. We'll just keep the liquidity swept mark on that only. Okay, let's go for the 4 hours. Now 4 hours. Let's get into this. This is where things get interesting. So again, go to the line chart. You can see a pattern forming here, and okay, guys, you can see that the pattern is exactly forming like this. See what how beautifully it has gone. It has will again counter touches easy. Yeah, first one, second one in the resistance, but there are numerous touches and numerous orders that has been filled and come down. Here one touch, two, three, four, five. We have five touches over here. You can see each and every wick represents each touch. One, the market went down, and two, the market went down, and three, the market went down, and four. Okay, and the market went down, and five. You can see there were five consecutive touches in this trend line. When you go to the lower time frame, this be a pullback something. Okay, pullback. Okay, here you can clearly see there's only a single movement, I mean mitigation. And let's go to the lower trend line, how it has. Here we can see one touch, two, three, and this is not a touch. These are not a touch, and the fourth touch was a breakout. Okay, the fourth touch was a breakout. Now let's get in deeply, furthermore deeply in this analyze. Okay, and we have liquidities here in this order block, and we have numerous liquidities here. We have here, and if we go further, there's another pattern forming here. Okay, but we'll just go to the 2 hours and we'll see what happens. Before that, I have missed one thing. We'll come to that. Okay, now in the 4 hours, you can see the market has made a break of structure over here. You can clearly see that. Okay, you can clearly see the BOS the market has given. Okay, and what happened was, those who got long orders here, what have it done? Their stop loss has been hit. Okay, all their stop has been hunted. Now let's go to the analyze. Then we'll mark this as a stop hunt. You see, we have a very good C. Okay, You can see the market has taken the liquidities, and here too you can see that. You can see the market has taken the liquidity, and the only area that the market respected for the last 2 days was this area, this support, this strong support. Okay, this uh, mark this fully. Go to the day chart. Yeah, you can see the support over here. It has mitigated fully. Now let's go to the 4 hours, and the 4 hours we should go for a change of character, and then only we can decide whether it's a bullish or, yes, you can see we had a, now we'll take this as a break of structure, POS, and we'll take this also as BOS. Now the market should do to is should break this high. So if it break this high, we can take it as what? We can take it as change of character or else market structure shift. Okay, can take it as market structure shift. So there's a long way to go here to take this liquidity. Okay, let's hop into the 2 hours chart and we'll delete these structures. Go to the line chart and see the trends are, the market is following the trend, and that's in news or not, it's following. So we have to just make a close look at it. You can see the market has done. Okay, okay guys, and once again we have so much liquidities and we have very big selling pressure in these zones, so we can expect the market to sell after it has mitigated from, I mean it has moved like this, or make a range and take the liquidity and fall for the downside. Okay, that's all we can, but we can't expect the market to go here higher, so it's an inevitable task. We can't expect it to go higher. mm, Election is coming, so now we can't expect any pump. We can expect a good healthy pump after the election. If any pump has happened, then we can surely get it as a manipulation. Okay, see, this was a pump, but this was a manipulation for a fallback. So all depends on the fundamental newses. Okay, now we mark the trend lines in the 4 hours and 2 hours. Okay guys, okay, my earlier assumption was that when the market was here, I mean here, my assumption was the market would go and take the liquidities and fall for downside. But the market has done the opposite. But it has gone to the desired price, and you can see the desired price was, you can see here, the desired price that I was looking for was this area. Okay, my first target was this 54, this area 54838, and my second target was, the first target was done, and my second target was, it was here. Okay, and the third target is for the 40, it's here. Okay, it's here. This is a very golden zone, very powerful golden zone. And for the coming couple of days we can expect a pump. Okay, so shorts are now risky. You can see the market has, in the higher time frame, it has been a fake out. You see, we can see it's a fake out, it's a fake out. Okay, let's mark the points that I have analyzed. So market would go here and take the liquidities, and it would respect this order block OB. The market would respect this OB. Okay, into the order block, right? Price would pump here, make a consolidation, and go for this order block and straight up down. We had a high selling pressure over this area, and if the market didn't respect here, we can expect the market to take all the liquidities over here in the 1 week and go down. I mean, the 2 hours won't come in 1 week. Like this move, we can expect a move like this the coming days, and it all depends on the news that is coming in the future. So should we should be updated on that. Now it's a good, those who are holding futures, now it's a good area to buy, but I'm not a financial advisor. So before you're investing on any market, do your own research, and you are the one who's maintaining your risk, and you are the one who should maintain your risk at any situations. Don't fall for the scams that have been uh, published on the social medias and spreading all over the social medias. Do your own research. That's a good friend. and catch with the trend, so you would never fall a victim to trade against the trend. Okay, now we have three major zone over here. As you can see, the market did not respect any of the order block. It was so aggressive, it was only respecting this trend line, and we can see there was a accumulation, okay, and a manipulation, and we go for a distribution on this side. Okay, you see we have a manipulation. Okay, we have a we have a manipulation. Okay, and we go for a distribution. The distribution may stop from this level after taking the orders from here, or else it would pump up. Okay, I'm not the one who is running the market, so our part is to analyze and give you the best. I told you it was accumulation and a manipulation and a distribution. Okay, let's go for a lower time frame to confirm whether it's there gonna be a pump or it's gonna be a dump as always. Okay, now let's go 1 hour and we go for the line chart. We can see the price has respected this zone. Okay, I see the price has touched, I mean mitigated 2 times. You can clearly see, right, how wonderful it is. And this area also, this was a resistance when the market was here. Now it has become support. We'll mark them in the light blue. Okay, as you can see, the market has respected these two zone. Okay, and then we have a fake out, very strong fake out in 1 hour. And let's go for a chart analysis. As we can see a trend line in 1 hour. We'll just mark that in whatever color you like. I mean the orange. I take the orange, and we go for the upper trend line. In this case, we have one first mitigation to the line, and the second, the I mean to the upper line. Now let's see for the down trend line is 1 2. Okay, now according to the buying pressure that started here and the fake out sign, I am expecting this would be a rally. Okay, this would be a rally. It will break and can go up. So coming days won't be a dump. Okay, we can look for a long, I mean a very good pump and a healthy one. If it breaks this upside, we can expect a pump of, just keep, we can expect, I will analyze this. Yeah, we are good to go. We are expecting a pump of 3.94 percentage or more than that. Okay, or more than that. You can see here the YouTube, I mean, you know how I analyze us uh, by seeing our past videos. And See, it may it may break this level in another 1 day, or maybe taking 4 hours like that. According to the buying pressure that had been here, we could expect a huge pump here. Okay. We have a consolidation and we go for a big one. Okay. Maybe here and come for a retest, and we expect the price to move higher. Okay. And we have a fair value gap over here in a 1 hour time frame. It would break and it would respect this fair value gap and come for a retest, and could go down also. All depends on the fundamental news. You see, we have a very good fake out over here. Then this fake out, this is a strong one. So the things are that it might get respected in this zone, or before this zone there's a fair value gap over here. We have a PG. So anything could happen. It's your responsibility to keep eye on these levels that I am marking out. Okay, let's go for a 5 minute chart, and you can see that we have numerous structures over here. It's complex, it's very complex. You can see how beautiful this structure was. Break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, and break of structure. And we had a change of character, and the price mitigated this order block. And again we had a break of structure, and second we had a, now we are having a change of character here, and the price may mitigate this level, mitigate this, or this zone. Okay, this zone, or else this extreme zone, which is a good healthy move for a pump. Okay, okay, let's get into the overall move of this Bitcoin. For several days in future, the market would be in a bullish side, and from there we can see for a very big bearish, and the price I'm targeting for the dump was, you can see from here to here. You can, this is the golden zone of my perspective. It's the golden zone of my perspective. Okay, and we'll mark out with some gold items. I mean, the letters are in gold. Let's take it, and the style background will be in the gold color. Okay, and the borders also will be in that color. We'll make it like this, and we have the golden zone over here. Okay, the first target was reached. You can see the first target was reached, and we expect the market to pump over here, and the price may come, and we have huge stop losses here. You can see those who retest and enter, those who enter the third time, they're definitely going to get stop hunt. You can see we have very good support zone over here, and the market would respect and again break this line. It could fill and can go for a big run. So we have 2 months and a half months for the American election, and we could expect anything. We can see this move over here. This move was from, I mean, July 29. We'll take it as August 1st, and it continued till August 5th. Oh wow. It's nearly 6 days. I mean, 1 week. 1 week it has fallen like this. Okay. So there are more, I mean, there are more days for the election. If Donald Trump wins, the Bitcoin price may pump like hell. So we guys recommend you to start accumulating when it reaches this $48,000. When the Bitcoin is at 48,000, you can start accumulating. I mean, DCA in the spot wallet, not the futures. So it would give you a big percentage. If you bought the price here 48, then I mean this trend line, we can expect a good pump till here, and if it fails, you can rebuy in this golden zone. You can rebuy in this golden zone, and we can expect a very big pump from here. Okay, if it slowly moves like this and come, we have time till the election. Okay, and that's all for the BTC. Let's go for the ETH, Ethereum, Binance. Okay, now we have more old setups. Okay, we'll just raise that. Okay, like always, we'll start from the weekly chart, and for the trading tip, we'll just go for the line chart. You can see we have a very good support here. I mean, now it has become the resistance. We'll mark it in yellow color. Okay, and we have another resistance over here. We have another one here, and let's mark this also. Okay, there are numerous trend line, and you can see it has successfully, I mean, first attempt it was a liquidity sweep, and we have a manipulation here, and we are now in the downside. We have broken this trend line successfully, and I think the market is heading towards this line over here. And you see we have one touch over here, one single touch, and the second one, and we have a third one and fourth one, and we have a fifth one here. Okay, the market tends to break this also. We can expect that to happen. The market does that only. Okay, now let's go for the day chart. That's all for the weekly chart. It has, you can see over here, the market has made a pattern. I think you guys can't see that pattern, and this pattern was a good indication. Those who got this pump, they would have become rich. can see here we have very good, no. I'll just reduce the brightness, it's too. Okay, you can see the we had multiple touches mitigation in this during last year December, and we had a very big pump. Okay, and we can see the market has made again a pattern here, and you can draw it for yourself. You can see here the market successfully made a pattern, and we'll mark that in any other colors. Okay, now the market has built a liquidity here. You can see the market has built liquidity. So the second type you can draw this chart is like this. If you draw like that, we can see that wick was, you can see here. Yeah. If you draw like this, you can see how it is respected by this line, right? It was respected. You can see that. So second time it has respected, and it has swept the liquidity over here, and it is looking for a little bit pump, and we can expect the market to fall this and get respected in this area, and again fall. Market would go. Now the BTC market is in uptrend. We expecting the market to go higher and higher and take the liquidities in these trend lines, and we can expect the market to go down and break this trend line, and we expect the market to break this also and give us a nice retest and or a range, whatever it is, and we can look for a very big pump. Okay. Okay, in day chart we have this much of information, that is way more than enough. Let's get into the 4 chart. And those who didn't predict this dump would have missed a big opportunity. You can look here, see we have a trend line over here, so let's mark out that, and we have a trend line over here. You see, it's very easy to analyze. Okay, the thing is you need a consistent on anything that you do. Consistent is the key for anything, whether you play sport, whether you study, or whether you do any kind of habits. Okay, the thing is consistency is the only key to make you success. Okay, even run. Okay, let's not talk about it. Even Usain Bolt trained himself for 10 years or no 4 years to run 9 seconds, right? So it's because of his consistent work on that. So all we need to do is consistent. It's the only key for success. So here you can see we have a good support area. It's all basic. Okay, we have a good support area. The market has respected those who got shorts here. They would have been in big profit. You can see the gain. You can see how much it is. We can at least see here. It was 11 percentage. Those who aim for this demand, it would be 11 percentage, or we'll round off and we'll keep for 10. Anyone can enter this, I mean, perfectly, right? So 10, then we'll go for, if they were keeping full leverage on Binance, and it's on 125 into 125 into 10. 125 into 10. No, it's 100, right? It's no. Okay. The market has dumped only for 10 percentage, and if anyone could got this move, the gain will be 1000, more than 1000. Will be more than 1000. The ROE will be more than 1000. If you put $10, what's 1000? It's $100. So easy money. If you put 100, it's the 1000. It's what? It's $1000. Easy money made. Okay. Now we had a very, let's go. We had a very big bullish pressure here. You can see for yourself. You can see, right, guys? You can see, and let's draw the trend lines. I mean, we can go for the 2 hours. It's not that clear like in the Bitcoin. See how much of buying pressure here. See, okay, and we are having a fake out here. We are having a fake out. Okay, let's consider this as a, when we consider this as a support, we have a very big fake out, very strong fake out, and we have liquidities over here. We have liquidities in this area. This area, those who entered, short after this breakout, they are got stuck. They all got stuck. Okay, they all got stuck, and the stop orders all be in here. Retail traders or beginners. Okay, and we are having a very big selling pressure here. We don't see any selling pressure here, but we can see in here, right? And there's another pattern that's visible to my eye. You see, we can draw this trend line, and you can see for yourself. You can see here. You can see we have another trend line. How beautiful the market is, right, guys? Now, all the things you should do is, you see, the market. See, the market would gain this liquidity, go and take the orders, and would go and take this liquidity and go for downside. That's all it makes. So when we look at the ETC, it's also showing us the bullish momentum, and in the Ethereum also it's the same like that. Okay, you can take a pic of this if you want. Now the bulls are in, so we expect only for if you are long-term holder, then that doesn't matter. If you're a short-term holder, it's I mean the futures, it's best. You can see we can expect a very big pump till this zone, and after this zone, that's not sure, and we can't expect anything from the market. It would go for this resistance and make some consolidation, and we can get a manipulation, and we can go for a distribution. So anything could happen. So my prediction for this Ethereum, price prediction for this Ethereum was, when you go to the fib to, I have a prediction till this zone. This is my golden zone. This is my golden zone. Again, we have to make this golden golden zone. Okay, that's okay. That doesn't matter. We have 20, and the style will be, we have gold. We have gold. We need gold. Background is also gold. You see, we have gold area over here. Okay, this is a golden zone in my perspective, and I expect the market to pump for a couple of days and get filled in that zone and come for and get filled in that areas, come for this and break the trend line. Again we take the liquidities and we go for like this consolidation, and we again break the trend line, and we'll have a consolidation, and we'll have like this come something, and we can expect the market to go up after this. Okay, we can see my prediction was like this. Okay, for this pair, the zone has been filled exactly. You see, the zone has been filled exactly, and we had a very big pump. And if you see for it like this, you take a look like this. You see, it has again filled this. This is a very big golden zone. It has filled that area. And if you go for a short term analyze in this, mm, my prediction was I made a big profit in this. I can share my profit cards in the YouTube channel. We have a Telegram group, so if you would like to join that and on with us, you can comment below in the comment section, and we'll provide you the link. Comment Telegram, and we will send you the links. You can see here, yeah, we have a very we have exactly the same price here. Okay, you see, it has come to the golden zone, and it's been going, it's running. So we have both side. We'll have we make money in both side. So your job is to invest by analyzing properly. Okay, don't fall victim for the scams. That's all the advice I can give. And we are over with this Ethereum. We'll go for overview. We see Ethereum had made a very big, I mean, a rising wedge, if not a symmetrical triangle, which was broken here. You can see and we had another falling, falling wedge or a bullish flag, and we had a break to the downside, and we go for a retest, and the price falls. You can see there's another pattern. You see, it's a bearish or a channel. You can say it's a channel. We had a very good breakout, and it's going for a retest. And what we could happen expect is, you see what happened in the retest. It has fallen, and here also it has fallen. Okay, that's common. So we can expect a very big dump. After a pump for the couple of days, we can expect a very big dump. Here we have how much? We have 16 percentage. And if we keep in this retest and see, it's exactly in this what? It's exactly aiming for this area, this trend line that we marked before. Okay, anything could happen. We are best at in this crypto journey, and you those who follow from beginning, they know us how we will analyze. And today the video is over, and stay tuned for more crypto analyze. And those who want to know about the crypto channel or telegram channel, you can come on telegram, and we send you the link, and you can see how our trade results are. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye, guys. Mhm.